Good morning, students. Welcome to online zoology class for fourth semester BSc. Students, because of this COVID-19 pandemic disease, we are not able to take your class from the college. So university has told us to take the class from our houses. Therefore, we are taking the classes from our houses. In our houses, there are no blackboard or whiteboard. Whatever the facilities are available, things are available in our house, they are being used. So the next classes will be from our houses only. So first of all, I would like to give you the syllabus of your semester, fourth semester, zoology subject. So zoology syllabus composed of 5 units. So here in this semester you are going to study 3 different branches of zoology: cell biology, histology, and the ethology, animal behavior. First and second unit deal with cell biology. Third unit and fourth units, these two are dealing with histology, and fifth unit deals with ethology, animal behavior. So in the first unit you are going to study the ultrastructure of animal cell, cell theory and cell cycle in the first chapter. Ultrastructure of animal cell. Ultrastructure means fine structure of animal cell, cell theory, cell cycle. Then second chapter deals with ultrastructure function of cell organelles like plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex, lysosomes, mitochondria and nucleus. These are the important cell organelles. Next, unit number 2. This also deals with cell biology. Here you are going to study chromosomes, structure and types of chromosomes, structure of chromosome, types of chromosomes based on the centromere. In certain chromosomes, centromere is present at the center. In some other chromosomes, centromere is present little away from the middle of the chromosome or center of the chromosome. And in some other chromosomes, it is the centromere is placed nearer to the tip of one arm. In some other chromosomes, the centromere is present at the tip of the chromosome. So depending upon position of centromere, there are 4 different types of chromosomes that you are going to study. Then ultrastructure of chromosomes. Okay. Second chapter, cell division. Here you are going to study details of mitosis and meiosis. Then third chapter, cellular aging and cell death, concept of aging theories, effect of aging on cell organelles, apoptosis, necrosis, definition and significance. Then cancer biology. Here you are going to study the introduction of cancer. What is cancer? How cancer is developed? What are the characteristics of cancer? Introduction, characteristics of cancer cells. Carcinogens. Carcinogens are the substances which cause cancer. Cause and prevention. How it can be prevented. That you are going to study in this chapter. Then unit number 3. Unit number 3 deals with histology. Histochemical techniques that are used in laboratories. Histochemical techniques, cytoplasmic and nuclear stains that we are using in our laboratory. different stains are being used to stain the cytoplasm and nucleus. So what type of stains are used, that you are going to study. Preparation of histological slides, how the histological slides are prepared. So theory you are going to study. Then study of histological structure and functions of the following mammalian organs. Mammalian organs, these are the mammalian organs. So organs are taken from class Mammalia. Tongue organ, histological aspect of tongue, salivary glands, stomach, intestine, liver, and kidney. So these are different organs made up of different tissues. How these tissues are organized to form different organs, that you are going to study. Then unit number 4, this also deals with histology. Study of histological structure and endocrine functions of the following mammalian organs. Histological structure and endocrine functions of the following mammalian organs. Means endocrine glands are here. Their histological structure as well as endocrine function. What type of hormones are being synthesized and released by different endocrine glands, and their functions you are going to study. Pituitary gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, testis, and ovary. Okay, so these are the different endocrine glands. Next, unit number 5. Unit number 5 deals with ethology. Ethology means animal behavior. So here you are going to study behavior of the animals. Ethology, introduction, definition, scope of ethology, brief contributions of Konrad Lorenz, Nico Tinbergen, and Carl von Frisch. Their contribution to the field of ethology. Then types of animal behavior. There are different types of animal behavior. Okay, so number 1, innate behavior. Under innate behavior, taxes, reflexes, instincts, and motivations. Then the second type of animal behavior is learned behavior. These are learned behavior. By repeated practice, these behaviors are developed, obtained. Habituation, imprinting, conditioned reflexes, and insight learning. Third one is social behavior. Social behavior is exhibited by certain animals like honeybees, ants, okay, some other animals. There, social behavior, types of animal society, colony in honeybees and monkey troops. Then territoriality and courtship behavior in scorpion, stickleback, not stickle, it is sickleback fish, and peacock. So courtship behavior. So during the mating, during breeding season, male and female animals show different behavior. That behavior is called as courtship behavior. Male attracts female by performing some actions. They are coming under courtship behavior. Then study of nesting. So some birds, most of the birds, they build their nest. So study of nesting behavior and mimicry in animal. Then biological clock. This is called as circadian rhythm, circadian rhythm and chronobiology. Then animal communication. chemical, visual, audio, these are coming under animal communication. Then functions of signals, odors, sounds and light. Then parental care, concepts, fishes, amphibians and birds. Concepts of parental care in fishes, amphibians and birds. So these are the different chapters you are going to study during fourth semester. So students, next class I will be dealing with the first chapter of unit number 1, cell biology, ultrastructure of animal cell, cell theory, cell cycle. Okay, so this is your syllabus. I gave you a brief introduction. Thank you.